LuxAlgo's Liquidity Swings Indicator is designed to highlight swing areas where price has shown repeated interaction or meaningful trading activity. Instead of only marking a swing high or swing low as a single level, it builds a zone around that area, which makes it easier to see where liquidity may be concentrated and where price may react again later. The indicator is mainly used for descriptive analysis because pivot-based tools confirm swing points after a set number of bars rather than in real time. The main idea is simple. Swing highs can represent areas where buy-side liquidity may be resting, while swing lows can represent areas where sell-side liquidity may be sitting. These are often the levels traders watch for potential support, resistance, stop runs, or breakout attempts. By turning those swings into visible areas, the indicator helps organize the chart around zones that have already attracted attention. What gives the indicator more depth is the way it measures activity inside those swing areas. It can count how many times price has revisited a zone, and it can also calculate accumulated volume within that area. That means the tool is not only showing where a swing formed, but also whether that zone has seen enough interaction or volume to deserve more attention. The volume label adds useful context, especially when comparing one swing area with another. The settings also change how the zones are built. The pivot lookback controls how sensitive the swing detection is. A shorter lookback will usually find more swings, while a longer lookback will focus on broader structure. The swing area setting gives two choices. Wick extremity focuses on the wick portion of the swing candle, while full range uses the full candle area. That allows the zone to be tighter or wider depending on how much of the swing candle you want to include. There is also an intrabar precision option, which uses lower time frame data to calculate volume inside the zone more closely. This can help refine the read when volume is an important part of the analysis. The filter setting is useful as well because swing areas can be filtered by either count or volume. In practice, this helps reduce clutter by removing zones that have not been revisited enough or have not built enough trading activity. Another detail to watch is how broken levels are displayed. When a swing level is crossed, it changes into a dashed line. A broken swing high can suggest bullish pressure, while a broken swing low can suggest bearish pressure. That does not make the break a signal on its own, but it does show that a previously important area has been taken and that the market structure may be changing. This indicator can also become more useful when it is combined with tools that help confirm structure, momentum, or trend direction. A liquidity swing may carry more weight when it aligns with a fair value gap, an order block, or a structure shift from a smart money tool. It can also be read alongside EMA, RSI, or DMI to judge whether price is approaching a liquidity area with momentum behind it or losing strength into that level. In practice, liquidity swings works best as a liquidity and structure context tool. It helps show where price has interacted before, where volume has built up, and which swing areas may deserve attention when price returns to them.